Hi boys and girls, I'm here to take you on a journey for your final lesson on two-digit subtraction. Is your brain already melted from all this subtraction I've been giving you? Probably. But today you have a page in front of you that looks like this, or similar to it if your parents drew a version of their own, but I sent a page home like this for them to print or draw for you. And so we're going to work through this page together, reminding you of all the steps. So before we get started, a different saying. So we were saying bigger bottom, better borrow. If the number on bottom is bigger, you better borrow from the tens. But one that I've always taught that I didn't teach you guys yet that I should have is more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So I'll say that with you each time we do one of these questions so it hopefully sticks in your brain. This one might be more thorough for you to think about, easier for you to understand how to solve these problems when you do it. So let's go. I'm going to turn you around. Oh, wrong way again. Turn you around. Turn you upside down and take a look. We have lesson 91 worksheet. Flatten out my legs. Okay, so first things first, we have 92 cents minus 45 cents. Make it clear. And here we are. More on top, so we always start in the ones column. I'm going to do it in a blue pencil so you can see it better on here, but you're going to use a regular pencil. So we used to say bigger bottom, better borrow. We do have a bigger bottom, so we better borrow. But you can also think more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So we have more on the floor, so we need to go next door and get 10 more. So if we have 2, we cannot say 2, 1, 0. If we tried to touch count backwards, we couldn't do it. We don't have enough. So he's like, hey 9, can I please borrow one of your 10s? 9's like, sure thing. So 9 gives one of themselves away and becomes 8. And now the 2 has 10 more, which means it'd be like putting a 1 in front of it. I like to cross out the 2 and make it 12. Now can we solve? Yeah, we can. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Now we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Boom, baby. We got it. 47 cents. Cha-ching! Moving on over to 85 cents minus 61 cents. More on top. No need to stop. Oh, wait. We do have more on top. 5, 4. We can do it. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. This one, normally I would think 6, 7, 8 and get to the 2 fingers. But anyway, either way it equals 24 cents. Good. Let's move on down. I'm going to start making up story problems for these questions to give them more meaning. So, 53 cents. Let's pretend I have 53 cents. And I go to the store and I want to buy a lollipop. A lollipop costs 14 cents. So I have to give over 14 cents. How much money will I have back? Well, how much money will they give me back? So I have 53 cents. I'm going to give them 14 cents. So how much do I have to give them? Or I already know how much to give them. Sorry, I'm messing up my story problem. So I gave them 14 cents, but how much money do I have left in my pocket? So more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. We have more on the floor, so we have to go next door to get 10 more. What that means is if we have 3, we can't say 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. But we can't do it. We'd be in the negatives. We can't do that. We need to borrow. So 3 says, hey 5, can I please borrow some? 5's like, sure thing, here's 10. So 5 now becomes 4 because we took one of his 10s away. and they split into ones. And 3 now has 10 more, which is 13. So 10 more than 3 equals 13, and now we can solve. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 4, 3. And our answer, 39 cents. Moving on over. And Bob went to the bookstore and he saw there was a big sale on books. There was a book for 24 cents. He said, woohoo! So he took out his money. He gave the cashier 24 cents. And how much money will he have left? So he has 61 cents. He gave the cashier 24 cents. How much does he have left? Let's find out. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Do we have more on the floor? Yes, we do. We have to go next door and get 10 more. So we can't say 1, 0. It's too small. We can't take 4 away from 1. So, hey 6, can I please borrow 10? Sure thing. So 6 gave away one of his 10s. He became 5 10s. 1, if you put a 1 in front of 1 10 in front of a 1, it would become 11. You're always thinking the 10 is just like adding a 1 on front of this number. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 5, 4, 3. 37 cents left after I bought a 24-cent book. Great job. Turn it over. All the way at the top on the back side, we have 70 cents minus 24 cents. So I brought in 70 cents and I wanted to buy a pretzel. The pretzel cost 24 cents. So I give 24 cents. How much money do I have left? Well, let's find out. I start at the ones column. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Well, I have more on the floor. If I have 0, I can't take 4 away. So I have to go next door, and 0 says, hey 7, can I please have 10 of you? 7's like, sure. 7 becomes 6 10s. And then 0, put a 1 in front of a 0, it becomes 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 6, 5, 4. Good. Moving on over. 63 cents minus 45 cents. I went to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory and I saw that there was a piece of chocolate for 45 cents. I wanted to buy that to win that golden ticket. So I handed over 45 cents. How much money did I have left? Let's find out. So ones column, more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. I have more on the floor because I can't say 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, up. I don't have enough. If I have 3 ones, I can't take 5 away. So I have to go next door. And 6 becomes 5. So instead of 6 10s, we have 5 10s because 10 of him came over here to be in front of the 1. And 3 becomes 13. Now we can solve. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have 18 cents left to buy more candy. Down here at the bottom, our last one we're doing together, 82 cents minus 12 cents. I had 82 cents in my pocket, and I was running around playing with my friends, and 12 cents fell out of my pocket. How much money do I have left in my pocket? Let's look at the ones column. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Do I have more on top? No. Do I have more on the floor? No. If they're the same, what's 2 minus 2? 0. So I don't have any pennies left in my pocket. 8, 7. 70 cents left in my pocket. Great job. You have this big blank space. You can draw a picture if you would like. Great job. I hope this working with regrouping, borrowing, two-digit subtraction, I hope today kind of helped remind you of how we do this and refresh your brain and made it a little clearer. Remember, more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Good luck.